Wondering where you should head to next when coming to Africa? Well, Botswana is the most ideal place to go to. Rich in culture and nature, you'll be left gobsmacked by the spectacular places in Botswana. The landlocked country oozes of diamonds and abundance. If you're new to this scenic world, welcome, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Chobe National Park, one of the best national parks in Southern Africa and a true wildlife paradise and lush vegetation that will leave you mesmerized forever, is the Chobe National Park, situated in the northern part of the country. The name of the park derives from the Chobe River, which flows through the park. You'll be met by a beautiful sight of rare and exotic creatures including buffaloes, baboons, elephants, birds, and lions that are guaranteed to take your breath away. Okavango Delta. The Okavango Delta is a vast inland river delta in northern Botswana. This terrain ranges from dry grasslands to swamps. Although the terrain here is always stunning, the seasons can drastically affect your chances of seeing certain animals. Popular for its safaris and game watching, where you will be able to spot incredible animals such as rhinos, crocodiles, cheetahs, and zebras, amongst a few. You'll definitely be happy to have seen this terrain in your lifetime. Maun, often used by tourists as a stepping stone for the Okavango Delta, is a town of enough merit itself. With some of the greatest tourist amenities, this is a town you definitely want to stop by, as it offers campsites that are located by the river, as they provide a very peaceful atmosphere. Because Maun is perfectly situated at the gateway of Botswana's many top adventure destinations, it is ideal to book one of their scenic flights to discover magnificent surroundings by air. Todilo Hills. Appearing almost suddenly out of the ground northwest Kalahari is the Todilo Hills. This World Heritage Site is home to cave paintings that spread over 200 locations. These hills hold great religious and spiritual significance, as the San people believe Todilo Hills is the birth of all life. Makgadikgadi Pans National Park. If you prefer silence and solitude, this is the paradise you should go to. Makgadikgadi Pans is one of the world's largest salt pans with an impressive surreal landscape. The formation of the pans is as a result of a huge inland lake in Central Africa evaporating. Makgadikgadi is mostly visited for its harsh beauty, solitude, and remoteness. Nonetheless, you will still be able to spot large herds of zebras, oryx, wild beasts, aquatic birds, and many more, as the pans are surrounded by open grasslands. Moremi Game Reserve. Moremi Game Reserve, which is the oldest protected section of the Kavango Delta in Botswana, is one of the most diverse reserves with surprises everywhere. Moremi is home to most of the endangered species of large mammals, such as the rhino, African wild dog, and lion. Surrounded by floodplains, Mopani woodlands, fairy tale-like lagoons, and acacia forest, which will give you spectacular interaction with nature, a trip to Moremi will be one of the interesting trips you've ever taken. The Kalahari Desert. Derived from the Tswana word Kalahadi, meaning a waterless place, is the Kalahari, which is a semi-arid stretch of red sand without any permanent water surface. The Kalahari definitely does become green after good rains. The Kalahari is home to a few of endemic species, namely lions, cheetahs, leopards, brown and spotted hyenas, birds of prey, and other animals such as antelopes. You are guaranteed to have a bright day as the sun illuminates the red sands. Pines baobabs. These magical trees are a relief from heat, and they also act as an island sanctuary of sorts. Baobabs are very hard to miss as their presence is very striking. They are tall trees with big bellies, and what makes pines baobabs a must-see sight is the fact that they are in clusters. Lake Ngami. This beautiful source of water that is seasonally filled by other rivers is an important habitat for birds and wildlife in flood seasons. The Lake Ngami unfortunately does occasionally get struck by drought, leaving behind a site of struggle as wildlife is left deserted by water. This lake signifies the contrast between life and death. Jwaneng. Speak of diamonds. Jwaneng means a place of small stones. Situated in the south of Botswana is the richest diamond mine in the world. Jwaneng is not only the epitome of rocks that are loved and sought after by many, but Jwaneng is also inclusive of the Joanna Game Park, which is a field unit of Cheetah Conservation Botswana and a host to the globally threatened leopard-faced vulture. When in Botswana, do not forget to have fun under the sun and to at least enjoy one safari ride. As you have a good time absorbing nature, do not forget to like, comment, share this video, and definitely subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and Scenic away.